visit there to Bleachworks Bike Works. No, Bleachworks Bike Shed at Belmont, Bolton. Seems like a nice little setup. Not video the shop itself, because it's the first time I've ever been there, so they don't know me, I don't know them really. Like I said, they've just been highly recommended really. So, well, now to ride over to the MC Hub at Darwen. So I could take the scenic routes all the way. I'll just stay on this road right to the end, jump on the motorway for one junction, I think, and then we're there because you're right by the junction 4, the M65. West Pennine Moors. Beautiful. Beautiful. Well, we are 15 degrees. Less jacket, that'll do. Average speed camera on here. Must be a license to print money. Yeah, I wouldn't mind going up to the lakes today. But, it just puts me off with all the faff of these waterproofs. When I'm out riding, I do wear my mesh jacket an awful lot. I even wear it a lot in winter. And there's times where really I should be wearing something else, but I normally wear base layers and my mesh jacket, especially winter base layers. And I always think I like to feel not so much the wind in the air. I don't have much air, but the wind, you know, like I like to know I'm on two wheels. I like to feel it, and that's why I do have an Oxford Montreal jacket, and it says it's waterproof, but it'll be spitting proof or something daft like that. You know what I mean? But when that gets wet, it gets heavy, you know, and it's not comfortable, you know, and even because there's so much to it, even just putting it on, it feels heavy, it's big, it's cumbersome, you know. So I would really like at some point, hopefully before Christmas or before the real cold weather sets in, I would like either a Gore-Tex or laminated suit or something like that. My mate at work, he goes on about he has a rucker suit, always telling us how good it is. And Tony, he has the, I think it's the Alpine Stars Dry Star, which is like Alpine Star's equivalent of Gore-Tex or laminate, whatever. Never gets wet, never gets damp, just uses that in winter, and then laughs at me when we stop and I've got to start putting all my waterproofs on. And then, as I said, we had an awful lot of rain and was on the northern camp, which was, I think it was two weekends ago. And this suit was a laminated Risha suit that I looked at, and it was the same one, and I didn't know this at the time, that one of the guys who was with us, that he had, Richard Rathbone, and Richard had nothing but great words to say about it, so that could be a contender, especially when it's like quarter the price of a rucker suit. So looks like either those dark clouds have gone or they're behind us. Oh, looks like it's raining over there, over towards I think that'll be Pendle way, other side of Blackburn. Blackburn. Off the motorway. So we're going towards the service. It's the first time I've ever been here, so in towards the services. This lane. Left here. Oh, sign, motorcycle hub, MC hub. Other sign, can't go wrong. That'll do. Hey up. Here we go. Where is it? Where is it?